Okay guys, we got Big Red over here. Let's go check her out. We're showcasing our 34-foot edge bathroom trailer. It's 080 aluminum composite paneling as a standard blackout package. The 080 is going to be standard inside and out. We've got a 60-inch double side door, a 54-inch pull-out step. We've got a 30 by 26 window, a 21-foot awning. We've got 2 exterior scene lights on the curbside, 2 exterior speakers, and then we've got aluminum wheels as a standard. This one is going to be a triple 6,000-pound axle. We do have an additional light in the rear wing. Pretty bright, so I'm gonna cut her off. Let's go check out the inside. Going in, we've got a 36-inch ramp extension, aluminum. We've got a 5,000-pound capacity rear ramp door. We have our landing light package in this one. It's got 4 landing lights in the floor. That also comes with the blue strip lights around the track pad. This does have the 080 black. You do have several colors to choose from in that, charcoal, silver, and white as well. This one we did put 2 15K ACs in. We've also got a 1,500-watt wall heater down by the base cabinet. L-shaped cabinets. We have our bathroom in the corner right here. It comes with a toilet, a sink, and a shower. And then right here, we've got our spare tire compartment, even with a spare in there. These lights we have white and blue accent lights in the cove and on the track pad as well. Okay guys, come see me. I'm in booth 518, HPX. Have a great day.